Hi, ma'am. So we heard you were the one who found Avneet for the role of Kiku. So can you tell us the anecdote behind this?
So the anecdote behind this is that to begin with, my biggest hesitation was that who will play this role? Because this is such a challenging role for newcomer का तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. But in terms of actresses, we were trying to think who can do this kind of a role. And honestly, I needed a very strong actor. क्योंकि ये मेरा ही रोल था और मुझे भी कबीर ने ऐसा लिख के दिया था आफ्टर रिवॉल्वर रानी कि मतलब मतलब मेरे लिए भी मेरे से भी ऊपर का लिख के दिया था, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट रोल लिख के दिया था. एंड फिर मैंने सोचा कि आई शुड, क्योंकि गैंगस्टर में मैंने भी एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैच्योर परफॉर्मेंस की है, तो आई डिसाइडेड टू लॉन्च अ न्यू गर्ल. और उतने उसमें हम हताश हो गए पूरी तरह से, क्योंकि मुझे वो एक्टिंग कैलिबर मिला ही नहीं किसी में. एंड स्पेशली एक वो जो स्मॉल टाउन गर्ल की जो इनोसेंस होती है वो मुझे कहीं मिल ही नहीं रही थी. फिर मैंने मुकेश छाबड़ा को भी कहा, मैंने कहा हम लोग ना ऑफिसेस खोलते हैं हिमाचल में, मध्य प्रदेश में, या हरियाणा में, पूरी हंट करते हैं. So we were about to do that, and a friend of mine, Ajay Dhama, he sent me her Insta link, and the minute I saw her, I just had this feeling. I hadn't yet auditioned her, but I got this feeling that this girl can do it, because she was absolutely raw, and raw, and also unassuming and very free. So I met her, and I just did some exercises with her, and I figured that she'll be able to do it. And I was taken aback by her spontaneity and her understanding of human emotions, which are like layered and really deep. And especially her character, more than Sheru's character, goes through so many trials and so many layers as a woman. But she, being so young at this age, she had the emotional stamina to touch those notes, to dive into those depths, to have that. And I always thought of her as this young chirpy girl, and I thought maybe in emotional scenes I'll have to work very hard with her. But I was so shocked to see her emotional potency. And honestly, that is what I mean, that when you get a hunch, and I was so right about her. And I'm glad that she's getting this amazing break, because after this you will never get a weak role. Like after Gangster, I got more and more and more difficult roles in my life. So that will happen to you also now.